Today's math challenge is all about algebra tricks. We are diving into a quadratic equation that's a bit unconventional. It's got a fraction form of exponent. So get ready to think creatively and use some clever algebraic manipulations to solve this quadratic equation. That is x raised to the power of 5 over 3 plus 2x raised to the power of 4 over 3 minus 3x equal to 0. Here the exponent, it is in fraction form. That is 5 over 3 and here 4 over 3, which makes it a bit tricky to solve. Let's try to manipulate the equation to get rid of the fractional exponent. We can start by noticing that the terms with fractional exponents have a common base of x. See here, in the first term we have x, and the second term also we have x, and the third term also we have x. So let's try to take it x as common. So that's why this fractional form convert in terms of 1 plus something. So this 5 over 3 we can write in terms of 1 plus something, that means 1 plus 2 over 3, which gives 5 over 3. So instead of 5 over 3, I am going to write 1 plus 2 over 3. Now this first term, x raised to the power 1 plus 2 over 3, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m plus n. We can write this as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. Because when bases are same, we can add the exponents. So use this property here. We can write the first term as x raised to the power of 1 times x raised to the power of 2 over 3. So if you write like this, then we can take x as a common. So that's why I am converting 5 over 3 in terms of 1 plus 2 over 3. Similarly, the second term exponent we have 4 over 3. The 4 over 3 also we need to convert in terms of 1 plus something. So then only we can take it x as common. So 1 plus 1 over 3, which gives 4 over 3. So let's write in terms of that. The second term which we have x 2x 4 over 3, we can write this as 2x 1 plus 1 over 3. So it is also in the form of a raised to the power of m plus n. We can write this as 2x raised to the power of 1 times x raised to the power of 1 over 3. Here also we have x as common. For the first term x raised to the power of 5 over 3, I convert into x times x raised to the power of 2 over 3. I am going to write that. So x raised to the power of 1 times x raised to the power of 2 over 3 plus 2 times x raised to the power of exponent term 4 over 3. I converted into x raised to the power of 1 times x raised to the power of 1 over 3. So let's write that. Still we have minus 3x. The third term is minus 3x. That is equal to 0. Now here we have x, and here we have x, and here we have x. So now I am taking x as common. So then you are left with x raised to the power of 2 over 3 plus 2 times x raised to the power of 1 over 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. From here we can say that this x equal to 0, and then another one we have x raised to the power of 2 over 3 plus 2 x raised to the power of 1 over 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Let's take this equation and solve for the x. And we found x equal to 0 as a first solution. Here also the exponent, it is in the form of fractional form. So let's try to convert in terms of a normal exponent. Observe here, x raised to the power of 2 over 3, we can, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m over n. We can write this as a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of 1 over n. Or we can write this as a raised to the power of 1 over n whole raised to the power of m. So I am going to write in terms of this form. Then x raised to the power of 2 over 3, we can write this in terms of this term, that is x raised to the power of 1 over 3 whole raised to the power of 2. So x raised to the power of 1 over 3 whole raised to the power of 2 plus 2 x raised to the power of 1 over 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. And here we have x raised to the power of 1 over 3, and here also we have x raised to the power of 1 over 3. To make it easier, let us consider some variable a as x raised to the power of 1 over 3. We consider x raised to the power of 1 over 3 as a. So let's write a, then whole power 2 plus 2. We consider this as a. So let's write a minus 3, that is equal to 0. Now it is easy to solve. This minus 3, if you write in terms of plus 1 minus 4, which gives minus 3. So instead of minus 3, we can write 1 minus 4. Isn't it? So let's write that a raised to the power of 2 plus 2a plus 1 minus 4 that is equal to 0. Minus 3 I converted into 1 minus 4 form because a raised to the power of 2 plus 2a plus 1 we can simply write it as a plus 1 whole power 2, isn't it? So that's why I converted this minus 3 in terms of 1 minus 4. Now we have minus 4 that is equal to 0. So this 4 we can write it as 2 raised to the power of 2, a plus 1 whole raised to the power of 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 2 that is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of x raised to the power of 2 minus y raised to the power of 2. Simply we can write this as x plus y times x minus y, isn't it? X is a plus 1 plus y is 2 times, here our x is a plus 1 minus y is 2 that is equal to 0. So a plus 1 plus 2 which gives 3. So let's write 3 plus 1 minus 2 which gives minus 1. So let's write minus 1 here. So what we got, a plus 3 times a minus 1 that is equal to 0. Factors are a plus 3 equal to 0, a minus 1 equal to 0. From here we can say that a equal to minus 3, a equal to plus 1, and we consider a as x raised to the power of 1 over 3. So let's take that. Instead of a I am going to write x raised to the power of 1 over 3 that is equal to minus 3. So here also instead of a I am going to write x raised to the power of 1 over 3 that is equal to 1. Our goal is to find x value. So that's why both sides I am going to take whole raised to the power of 3. Then we can cancel 3 and 3. We will get only x in the left hand side that is equal to minus 3 raised to the power of 3 which gives minus 27. So the second solution of this quadratic equation. Here also we take it 3 in the exponent. Then we get cancelled this 3 and 3. We get x equal to 1. This is the third solution of this quadratic equation. So our first solution is x equal to 0. But is these three values satisfied our given expression or not? Let's go and check. Let's substitute the first solution, x equal to 0. Means our first solution satisfied our given expression. Let's take the second solution which we have minus 27. Here in the exponent we have 5 over 3. So that's why this 27 also if you write in terms of 3 raised to the power of 3. So that is easy to solve. So let's take the solution in terms of exponential form. This solution also satisfied our given expression. Take the last solution which we have x equal to 1. So that means third solution also satisfied our given expression. That's why our solutions are 0, minus 27, then 1. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.